Oh, Alex. Yeah, today's hot, so Alex is going to be running lots of red lights. The last time I was at this gas station, some little bitch was wearing shorts just like those. Let's go over there and do the intro. Today, Alex, my man. Alex, you know what we're going to do today?
Go get some food, probably dick around a little bit.
That's exactly what we're going to do today. Let's go find some ocean to look at.
I'm down.
Where do you want to go?
San Clemente?
San Clemente? Yeah, let's do that. He's texting. He's going to be hard to keep up with today, just him and I, because he doesn't stop for red lights. And I do. It seems like every time I ride around with Alex, we don't really have shit to do. We just kind of bum around all day. I really like that style of video, though. I think you guys do, too. I have a feeling we're going to wind up at Sancho's Tacos. Oh, shit. Jeez. I've been to Sancho's before on this channel. You guys remember it. It's like this lowrider themed taco spot. If we wind up there, I won't be mad. I'm going to take this opportunity to thank all the patrons of the channel. You guys help out tremendously, as well as keeping me motivated. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. GoPro shut off. I don't know what you guys saw and what you didn't see, but wound up at Sancho's Tacos. We went by it. Alex smelled it, turned around, and went for it. You've never been here? No. Well, you guys have seen it before on the channel. I'll show it to you again anyway. Food is great. All right, Alex, Sancho's Tacos. First time here?
Yeah, it's definitely an American style, like modern day taco. It's not no street taco.
You got the OG. We got 4 OG tacos, man. What'd you think?
It was really good, but it's no street taco. It's a California hipster taco.
What are we gonna do now?
Take the coast back, I don't know.
Let's go look at the pier.
All right.
Yeah, the pier, the pier.
Let's not stop though, let's just look at it and go.
All right, Sancho's. I like this place. Not cheap, but I like it. Not cheap or close, but I like it. Surfing Donuts. I like that place. You can get a donut cheeseburger there. Remember when Clem and I went looking for a donut cheeseburger? We ended up at McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts. So pissed my GoPro shut off before we went into Sancho's. I have no idea what you guys saw or didn't. The beach, The beach, the beach. Slug bug. Ow. San Clemente is like a maze. Just want to get to the pier. I want to peer up the pier. Slug bug. Pow. Okay, I'm frustrated. Okay, I give up. No beach today.
Go.
What?
Go back.
Alright, I'll follow you.
I don't know how to get back.
Alright, we give up. We give up. No beach, no pier. I know you guys that are local in San Clemente, you're like, wait, if you would have just turned right here, it was right there. Story of my life.
Do you want to take streets or freeway?
I don't care. Take the streets. What are you doing? That way? We're pretty dysfunctional today. No U-turn? I'm doing it. Out of my way, Prius. Move, Prius. Oh, geez, Alex. I don't know if I can say today's a quality video or not. Not a lot has happened and I'm having GoPro issues. Alright, I'll race you to the other side of the intersection. I'll race you to the other side of the intersection. Alright? I win. Thought he was going for it. I think I got trolled. He trolled me. I definitely got trolled.
I smoked my leg on the pipe.
It looks like it hurts.
God.
You should wear pants. You should wear pants. I'm getting to the shade. Today's like 100 degrees out. I haven't smelled antifreeze one time today. Bike's on the mend. I say that, now my radiator is gonna explode. Damn it, it's gonna hurt. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Miss, shift. Alright, fun but short day, dude. Sorry, guys. Win some, you lose some. If you aren't aware yet, I do have another channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. A lot of dysfunction. You might recognize some of the same people on this channel, on the other channel. We have a good time. Make sure you check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. If you haven't been to the site in a while, make sure you swing on through. A lot of changes. Been working real hard on it. You support the channel partners, Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, LUIMOTO. They're a good group, wouldn't steer you wrong. Support the companies that support us, right? Right. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Later.